you got your makeup done, you're looking good. We're going 25 minutes away to a specific mall because what's happening?
They have a Mac event going on, so it's kind of like they're a little bit secretive about it, but they're like come early. There's like free goodies and stuff, free applications, which is like never done. So I don't know, maybe I get to try like a new.
What's an application?
It's like a service. I think
Product
it's
testing.
yeah, basically. So you get to try like whatever you want. And I don't know, it's just makeup related, so I'm pretty excited.
It's close to Bangsa and there's like a golf course, I think 15 minutes away.
Really?
Yeah, but your boy got his new shoes on and there's definitely no way I'm swinging a golf club. Hmm?
Absolutely
No way, eh? I'm pretty excited. I'm already getting hungry, eh? But I'll let you do your thing at the makeup day and then I'll ditch and then go find something else because it's not going to be fun for me.
No way you're gonna stay.
No, no, I'm not going to stay. No. We'll find something cool to do. Yeah. I think the malls in Malaysia clear, eh? Fancy as, eh? Clean, crispy. And so we're gonna find the Mac store so Antonio can go do a thing. And then after that, I'll take you guys to wherever I wanna explore. Maybe walk around, go to certain shops. I think one thing that I have been craving is McDonald's. I know dirty as, and it's like we've been eating local food for well over a month now. But I feel like some grilled meat, maybe some burgers. You can find that around here, but I don't know. It's just a craving. Don't hate me for it. What do we see? We see the Mac store. You ready? Okay, I think I'll leave you here. See you later. What are we gonna do? Oh, I forgot my watch. No way, I forgot my watch today. Maybe we have to pull up. Grilled salmon. I think the other one was so delicious that it's kind of put me in the mood for another one, eh? It's like all the malls, they do free samples. I thrashed this straight the other day too. Got some free coffee, multiple shots of espresso, some dessert as well. Just went and go try jackfruit for the first time. It's weirdly like aromatic and it's super delicious. But yeah, awesome straight. Take advantage. Obviously with an extent. And then this is like their butchery section. The light is, it feels like I'm in a club. But they got chicken, different forms of chicken, Australian beef. I've seen they really like Australian beef. It's not bad, eh? Got lamb chops. We got nothing at home, like no cooking utensils or like oil or anything like that. Just because all the food that we get out is so cheap in itself that I think I've only made one dish at home, and then that's been like fried rice. But that fried rice was not really that great at all. Chicken on ice. This looks pretty good. Got the wings over there. They look like some kind of catfish with their whiskers. Can you see? Hello. I need to walk around. I need to find Anne as well. Oh, she's definitely trying to look for me, but I'll catch you in a bit. I'm actually so lost. Like, I have no idea how this maze turned into a mall. Bro, I was literally down there just before. I was talking to Anne, and then now all of a sudden, I have no idea where I'm going. But I think that's part of the fun. I think so. But this looks like a completely different mall. Louis Vuitton, takeaway. I know some of these malls, they have hotels like literally connected to it. And there's like offices, buildings. Okay, so I found her. I found her.
Playing. Find me. Find me. I don't know where I am.
Hell no, I literally had no clue where I was going. So this mall, it's like shaped as in like a, I don't even know how to say it, it's a massive sphere that goes in all directions, and it's not like high, but it's like, I think there must be underground bits, and it just goes, yeah, I got lost, and then I ended up in like the bloody designer brand place. Yeah, honestly, so surprised how like truly big this mall is. I fully got lost. That's exactly what I said.
Made to trap you in and keep shopping.
Amazing. Yeah, exactly. Put in the most perfect way possible to keep you here, and you just have like free samples. Just get distracted by the new things like the Samsung. There's the Samsung Flip, and then they have a Samsung Fold. Yeah, the Fold. One flips like this way, and then the other one flips like this, like a book. No good. I don't really mind the crease though. Hell yeah, what do we have? We got a couple Coke Zeros, double cheeseburger, Big Mac, and some fries, as well as a secret.
These chips are already way better.
Way better than what?
New Zealand chips.
I feel like they are a little bit more crispy, right? What we got? We got chili sauce. You want to try? Oh, yum.
Yum.
Yeah. It's like a spicier sweet chili. Next up, we got the I am tenders. You know, I can't miss out on my I am growing. Look at that.
Whoa.
Yum.
Yeah.
Yum. Spicy and just like not dry. A little bit crispy. Yeah. What do you think? Try with some of that sauce. You know, it tastes like it's not good for you, and it's probably like very accurate. I think better than Japanese McDonald's. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's so good. I don't know why people don't call no, I don't want to make that statement eating McDonald's. But like actually giving Malaysia or Kuala Lumpur its flowers for being such like a food hub. I think there's only been maybe 1 or 2 meals out of all of our meals that we've had here that's been an actual miss. Everything else has been heat.
Look at that. That is delicious. I feel like you can taste the difference between the beef, like New Zealand beef and this beef.
Okay. What's the difference?
It doesn't have as much depth, but it's still delicious. It's still really good.
It looks super cheesy, yeah. Super cheesy. Ooh.
It's like the texture of it all together in your mouth is so good.
Yum.
You got a pickle.
Yeah, really yum. Definitely New Zealand beef is a lot beefier. Texture-wise, it almost feels like that. It tastes like steamed buns.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking as well.
Yeah.
Texture bomb, absolutely delicious. The beef is good, not as good as New Zealand, and I would definitely have that again. Cheese is cheesing.
Out of 10.
8. 8 out of 10.
We got time for the start of the show. Look at this. Big Daddy already. I think they do steam the buns, eh? The first bite goes to everyone subscribed, everyone a part of the channel memberships. It's for you. It tastes almost very similar to like a New Zealand steam bun. I mean, a New Zealand Big Mac. Apart from like New Zealand beef is a lot more beefier. But I haven't had a steam bun from McDonald's in like 5 years or so, eh? Like more than 5 years. Probably like 2018 was the last time I had a steam bun burger. Because I stopped doing it for some reason, it's too like slow.
You're like gatekeeping steam.
They gatekeep steam buns to make more money. But I think steamed buns was the only reason I went to McDonald's. It's just like having a soft titty in your mouth. That's one of the best feelings ever. Steamed buns. Have a bite. Hell yeah, eh? Yeah. Steamed buns, 10 a mid burger. This is probably like a 5 out of 10, right? But it really takes it to like an 8 out of 10. Just the texture difference that it gives. I was gonna say, they get the architecture completely right. I feel like by now, the three different levels would have been slipped off already. And we are McDonald's people, eh? No, we're not McDonald's people at all. But this was a very enjoyable experience. What's that one?
It's like little toasted biscuits or something. Toasted buns.
Marshmallows?
Oh, maybe. No,
Oh, bread.
What's this one?
Bread? Some kind of bread? There's a bunny one. There's the bunny one. Capybara.
Oh my god, this one feels like, what's the word?
I don't know.
Clammy.
Clammy? Ooh. Ooh, what the hell? It's like grippy,
Ew,
eh?
yeah. Oh, it's like a funny.
Creamy keyboard supremacy, eh?
Yes, all the way.
These guys have a whole customization setup where there's like clicky, creamy, RGB, so you can feel. That one's super clicky. Oh, tactile clicky. This one's creamy as. What does that mean? Silent linear. Dude, this place is pretty insane. They said it's 50% off. You can go into these bays just to hang out, have something to eat. It's so nicely lit. They got a putting section. I don't really want to ruin my shoes. Maybe I can jump on my feet. Okay, they're doing a 50% off special. I think it's like 35 ringgit. Was that like 15 bucks or something like that? Not bad. Free golf fire. We got women's set, men's set. They don't provide you with drivers because then they're very, very strict. You break the sensor, you pay for it. No arguments. So let's not break the sensor today and have some good golf shots. About halfway through. But I got no grip on my hands and I got no grip on my putters. So all the best, Matt. All the best. And to be honest, I was a little bit scared because I don't want to pay for this shit. I told Ant, if we hit it, we just pick up your bag and we walk straight out. Pretend like nothing happened. And I feel like when I release the club, it should like slips on my hand like that. But that's right. That is a very cool hangout spot. It was a very, very cool hangout spot. 7, 8 years ago, went for a job interview. They pretty much gave me the job. I brought a new pair of brown dress shoes, leather, that I wanted for like a year, 180 bucks. Got them on special too. And guess what? At the driving range, hit 100 balls, think life is good, just got a brand new job. Afterwards, completely scuffed. The whole 2 at the bottom by the toe, done. They were donezos. And so there's no way I'm letting these bad boys get scuffed up. So it's the New Zealand loafer for me for today. They have the game playing too. Sick. Whoa! That one went high as. Bro, I am completely Friday. I'm so dead. My feet aching. Brand new shoes. Didn't take too much to break in, but holy. And then we got the girl some frozen yogurt. And Tony's going on a frozen yogurt tour. And she wants to try all the brands. She got Ferrero Crunch, strawberries, and Oreo cream. What are we thinking?
It's delicious. The Ferrero Rocher.
Only for my channel memberships, alright? So sign up if you haven't signed up already. I think this could be the best one.
You think so?
Yeah. You can easily spend literally a whole day in the mall. Eh? So in this mall, there's like the Megamall mall, which is like the big mall. And there's like heaps of stuff for him. And then the next mall where the golf and stuff was the Gardens Mall. And that's more like the Rich Mall, the Tweedy Mall. I didn't really like that. The golf was alright. It was cool swinging the club. But yeah, I just feel like the vibe wasn't really it, hey? It wasn't really it. But it was cool. It was cool, but it wasn't really it. Nonetheless, I enjoyed my time. I think we need to try out this place one time. If there's any viewers that has been to Oriental Copy, please let me know if it's any good and what they actually do. I've seen there's Oriental egg tarts, and it's kind of like a bit of like Chinese / Malay style cuisine, but always a massive line, like a long ass line. So I want to try it out just because I see so many people going to it. And I think this will be just the one video in itself. Maybe, is that boring? Would you say it's boring? Just one whole video of this mall just by itself?
That's what a vlog is.
Yeah, I know that's what a vlog is, but I'm just saying, I'm getting other people's input. So let me know, because we were going to go to the Chowkeat night market tonight, but I think we're pretty pooped out. I think we're going to go home, have some showers, watch some anime.
In 200 meters.
I think that's us for today, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Everyone a part of my channel memberships at the moment, I love you guys. If you want my love, sign up to the channel memberships. Let me know in the comments what you want to see us do next. We spent the whole day at the mall, valid. Leaving just before rush hour, smart. So share to all your friends, and I'll catch you on our next KL adventure.